In a once luxurious hotel filled with lingering memories, guests began to disappear without a trace, leaving behind an unsettling mystery that no one could unravel. Rumors spread among the locals about room 13, where laughter turned to screams, and those who entered never returned. A chilling legend that filled weary travelers with dread. Determined to uncover the truth, the friends step inside, unaware that each creak of the floorboards echoes the history of terror that has gripped the hotel for decades. As they recount the tales of the vanished guests, a chilling wind sweeps through, carrying with it whispers from those who once inhabited the haunted space, urging them to leave. In a moment of terror, she sees the ghostly visage of a past guest within the mirror, a warning of the fate that awaits them if they do not escape the hotel's grasp. Frantically, they rush toward the exit, only to find it locked tight, feeling the heavy presence of something sinister closing in, forcing them to confront the horrors that lurk in the hotel. With courage faltering, one friend steps forward to confront the entity, while the very walls seem to conspire against them, distorting reality as they fight for their lives.